In this Excel video, I will teach you quick Excel formatting using the right mouse button. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And here I am in Excel, and I have some data, and you can see that I've already applied some formatting to some parts of this spreadsheet. But how could I extend that formatting to other parts of the spreadsheet? Of course, I could use the format painter here, and if you want to learn how to do that, please watch my many tutorials on the format painter. But today, you're going to learn a quicker way, at least it's quicker in some cases, by using the right mouse button. So I'm going to click here on cell A1, and it highlights the cell. Now, if you look in the lower right corner of that cell, you'll see a little handle. That is called the fill handle. And we typically use the fill handle by left-clicking on it and then dragging down to either copy the contents of a cell or extend a sequence or a series. But in this case, I'm going to right-click on that fill handle and I'll drag across these column headings and release the right mouse button. And then I'm going to choose Fill Formatting Only. And you can see what happens. My format here of the background color and even the bold and any other formatting got copied and pasted across the range that I selected. So that was a great quick way to accomplish what I needed to do. Now let's look at a couple of other examples. You can see here that the sales numbers are formatted as currency, but I messed up here in column D. These sales numbers are not formatted as currency, they're formatted as general data. So I could use the right mouse button to fix that. I just click and drag to highlight this range that has the correct formatting, and I could use the fill handle again, but in this case, I'm just gonna right-click on the edge of that selected range, and I'll drag over to this data, release the right mouse button, and I'll select Copy Here as Formats Only. So look at the numbers. When I click Copy Here as Formats Only, the numbers stay the same, but the formatting changes to match what I had selected here in column E. Now this works not just with number formats, not just with background colors and bold formatting. It works with all sorts of formatting. And it also works not just with adjacent cells or columns, but any data that you can access in your spreadsheet. So I'm going to click and drag to highlight this range. I like the formatting here. It's got the yellow background, it's got some italics, and it has currency as the number format. So I would like to apply this same formatting to every other column just to make it a little easier to read the data. So again, I'll right-click on the very edge of the selected data and I'll drag right here, release the mouse button, copy here as formats only, and then I'll do it again over to here, copy here as formats only, and I've got a really good effect now for my data. Now, you may be asking yourself, why did I have to click and drag to highlight the entire range when copying from one cell or range to another? Couldn't I have just selected a cell that has the proper formatting, right-clicked on the edge, and dragged it over to change this range to match it? Well, look what happens. If I do it that way and I release the mouse button, I can copy here as formats only, but it only changes the one cell. So that's why I do recommend clicking and dragging to get the entire range that you want. Right-click on the edge and drag it, and then release, copy here as formats only. So the right mouse button, we usually don't think of it as a formatting tool, but it can be one, especially with very small formatting changes or small formatting jobs like these that I demonstrated in this video. In many other cases, you'll want to use the format painter to accomplish similar things. And again, if you haven't already done so, you really need to watch my videos on the format painter. But for now, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the very best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch. And you'll see more information about those options in the description below the video. And please do share this video with other friends, family, colleagues who you think could benefit from it. And at this time, I want to say a special thank you to my fantastic Super Techie channel supporters. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate what you do to support the channel. And I'd love for more people to become Super Techie channel supporters. Please consider doing so. And thanks so much to all of you who have purchased these unbelievably attractive technology for teachers and students t-shirts. Get your own t-shirt by looking in the description below the video or clicking the pop-ups.